Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to explain how to get equation of a straight line in two dimension. Two different cases I will discuss here along with a example also. In fact, on screen I have already shown to find out the equation of line joining 2 points. But I will also discuss the very standard line y is equal to mx plus c time, how it is obtained and how you can solve problem based on it. Okay. So let us start from very beginning. So I am starting from the definition of curve. ये कर्व क्या होता है? व्हाट इज कर्व? तो सबसे पहले कर्व को समझना जरूरी है. You have to understand what you mean by curve. Basically, curve is a locus of a point which moves under a given restricted condition, and mathematical form of the condition, if you able to represent in mathematical form, then that will be known as equation of curve. In fact, equation of curve is nothing but simply a relation between current coordinate x and y which holds good everywhere on the curve. So in this way you can say line is also a curve. Alright. So this is the definition of curve. Now another important problem which we always face, in fact, that is slope of a line. What is slope of a line? Slope of a line is the tangent value of the angle made by the line with x-axis in anticlockwise. As shown here, here it is making angle 45 degree. So you can get the slope m is equal to tan 45, that gives you 1. And another important thing we need to get the equation of line, that is intercept of on y-axis cut by the line. Here intercept is this, OC is known as intercept, and its value is equal to 4. In fact, I have already taken a variable angle type which will indicate how you can get the say 58, 59, 60 degree. In that case, this is the angle which it makes with x-axis anti-clockwise, and its value is 1.73, tan 60 1.73, and like that. Now, derivation of line in standard form. Let us find out that. The equation of line most general form is y is equal to mx plus c type. Equation of line with slope and intercept y is given, and that line is taken as y is equal to mx plus c type. How it is obtained, that I have discussed. If the slope of the line is given as m and intercept on the y-axis is given as c, here is the intercept. OJ is the intercept of the line, intercept made by the line on y-axis, and the angle made by the line with x-axis is anti-clockwise is theta. All right. So if you see, you draw a perpendicular from this point J to D, right? And D is the point which joins the point P. P is a random point XY, and draw a line this way. And just to explain, now JD is obviously it is X, and JO is equal to C. So PD is equal to PO is equal to Y minus C from figure. DP. It is DP is equal to Y minus C. DJ, this distance is X. And if theta, this is beta, both theta and beta will be equal because these two parallel lines are there, and the angle here is theta, then also this angle will be theta, as you see. This is 63.43, 63.43. So tan beta is dp by dj, that is y minus c upon x, but tan theta, tan beta is equal to m. He have already given everything. Let us take the line as shown in figure whose slope given by m is equal to 2. In fact, 2 is the case when angle is something else. Let us modify it. I am just making it correct value. I am making it correct. ठीक है ना? Edit. मैं इसको edit कर देता हूँ. So we will get the correct value. M is equal to, अच्छे अच्छे, M आप already taken as 2 here. M मैंने 2 ले रखा है. M यहाँ 2 है. और intercept on y-axis is taken as 4. So forget this angle. I am not going to discuss this angle. This way it is not related. Here M is T. So forget this angle. But only it is considered for taking the equation. So y minus c upon x is equal to tan beta is equal to m, and y minus c is equal to mx. So y is equal to mx plus c. So the required line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So this way you can get the equation of line in the standard form, y is equal to mx plus c. All right. And forget this angle. I mean, I can just modify it as मैं इसको modify कर देता हूँ. Basically, I'm just taking the name only, and here also I'm taking the name only. Uh, so name only. All right. Okay. So it is clear. Intercept is 4. Angle made by line with x-axis is tan theta. So if the angle theta, this angle is also theta, but I have named it as beta. So theta is equal to beta. Now this distance JO is equal to C, and PF is equal to Y, and PF is equal to PD plus DF. DF is equal to JC, and that JO that is equal to C. So PD is equal to Y minus C. And from this triangle you see tan beta is equal to dB upon dj, that is y minus c upon x. So is equal to m, y minus c is equal to mx. So y is equal to mx plus c is the required line, where m is the slope and c is the intercept on y-axis. This way you can derive the equation of line. And this is the current coordinate. This moves and line generate. Now let us discuss a question based on this. Question of case 1. Here it is. What I have taken? Find equation of line which whose slope is 2 and which cuts the intercept of on y-axis c is equal to 4. आंसर कैसे निकलेगा भाई? देखिए इधर solution बहुत clear है. M is equal to and intercept is 4, and we are using the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Put the value of m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. You will get the equation of line. That's all. If you change the value of m, change the value of c, you go on decreasing like that. You are decreasing like that. You can make it as minus also. Even then you will get this. All right. So if you want to know the equation of line passing through the origin, you can make c as 0. It will pass through the origin. That's all. This way you can get the equation of line. So you need m and c, and use this formula, you will get the equation of line. Now derivation of the equation of line in second case, when 2 points are there. Derivation of the equation of line, to derive the equation of line which 2 points on the line is given. How you can get it? So let the given points on line are a is equal to x1 y1, b x2 y2, and the equation of line is given as y is equal to x plus c. Now we have to find out the m and c, because line equation m and c are not known, so we have to find out how you can get it. Now x1 y1 and x2 y2, they are 2 points lies on the line, so they will satisfy the equation of line. So if you satisfy means put y is equal to y1, x is equal to x1, left hand side must be equal to right hand side. I mean y1 is equal to mx1 plus c first, and y2 is equal to mx2 plus c second. Okay, and this equation y is equal to mx plus c, I am calling it as a equation. Now first subtract from first equation, then we will get y1 minus y2 is equal to m into x1 minus x2. So you will get m y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. To get the equation You need m, so m we got. Now how you can get the value of c? One way is that you go put the value of m here and solve it, you will get it. Other way is just subtract this equation, this equation. From this equation, you subtract equation number 1. We will get y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is already there. Y minus y1 equal to m into x1 minus x2. You can get m, and from if you subtract a minus 1, we will get y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M, the value of m is already obtained. Y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 into x minus x1. So the required equation is y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Alright, this is the formula. Now let us do some question based on it. अब इसका हमने क्वेश्चन हम लिया है, ये है 2 पॉइंट. Find the equation of a straight line which passes to the point a minus 2 minus 3 and b minus 7 9 7. Alright, इससे हम इसको इक्वेशन निकाल रहे हैं. How will get it? So see the answer. Here it is. Alright, here it is. A is minus 2 minus 3. It will be somewhere here. Here minus 2 minus 3. And minus 9 minus 3 also will be in this quadrant. The equation can be obtained as, we know that equation of line passing through given point is given below. Now A is this and B is this, and equation of line joining 2 points is already known. Y minus y1 is equal to x1 minus x. Oh, here it is a mistake. I mean it should must be y1 minus y2. I'm just modify it. मैं इसको ठीक कर देता हूँ. Formula what I have taken, so I will correct it. So y minus y1 formula में y minus it must be in fact y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Alright, it is x1 minus x2. Okay, alright. So equation is correct here. Y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 to x minus x1. Put the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 we will get here. Y1 is minus 3, y1 minus y2 minus 3 minus minus 7, that is equal to plus 7, or it is x1 minus x2 minus 2 minus minus 9 is equal to minus 2 plus 9. You solve it. Y is equal to 0.57 into x plus 2 minus 3. Transfer this side and simplify it, we will get this equation. The required equation is y is equal to 0.57x minus 1.86x. This way you can understand. I have other several videos based on 2 dimension. It's a very simple. It's maybe useful for high school boys or intermediate, very primary boys. So it is so simple. But I have also developed certain videos and to finding the equation of circle, plane, parabola, ellipse, and equation of line 3D also. You can follow me. My mail address is omardiso@gmail.com. Another link is there. My YouTube channel name is Om Patsala. You log in with that, and website is there. Om Patsala is website name. Ompatsala.com, and YouTube channel name is Om Patsala. That is also. You can follow it. You will get lot of videos there, and if even then you have some question to ask, please mail me. I will answer it without any payment, and if possible I will make a video also it. And feel free to ask any problem anytime. Okay, I will be highly obliged if you ask certain question based on it. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you.